Welcome, dear learners. Welcome another video in quick review. In this video we will learn about respiration. Let's start. All the cellular activities can be grouped into broadly two categories. Number one is anabolism. This is the biosynthetic activities of the cell, and the second one is catabolism. Second one is catabolism, and this is the breaking up process of the cell. The anabolic activities are endergonic, that is energy dependent reactions. Anabolic reactions are energy dependent reactions, and the catabolic activities are usually exergonic, that is energy producing. So the sum total of catabolic and anabolic reactions occurring at any time in a cell is called as metabolism. So metabolisms are the whole responsible for living organisms, and the main exergonic reaction is main catabolic reaction is respiration, and the respiration occurs in the respiratory system. The respiratory system starts with nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveolus, finally blood. This is the respiratory pathway. And three phases of respiration. Respiration mainly occurs in three phases, and the first one is external respiration. It is a physical process. and involves the exchange of oxygen, that is air or water, and carbon dioxide of the blood at the respiratory organs, as we discussed in previous respiratory tract. This is called as external respiration. And the second phase is internal respiration or tissue respiration. It is also a physical process. It involves exchange of oxygen, of blood, and carbon dioxide of the cell at the cellular level, that is in alveoli. The exchange of carbon dioxide and the oxygen occurs at the alveoli and the capillary blood vessels. This is called as internal respiration or tissue respiration. And both the exchanges of gases occurs on the principle of diffusion. And the final phase, that is third one, is cellular respiration. It is an enzymatically coordinated stepped chemical process in which glucose is oxidized inside the mitochondria. It is oxidized inside the mitochondria and finally forms carbon dioxide and water and energy. And this phase is called as cellular respiration. The cellular respiration is again divided into two phases, because the cellular respiration occurs in the mitochondria. It can be classified into two types, that is, one is aerobic respiration, and the second one is anaerobic respiration. So let's see first of all aerobic respiration. It occurs inside the mitochondria, inside the mitochondria, mitochondria in the presence of molecular oxygen. It occurs in most plants and animals, and it again divided into 4 phases. Actually, it again divided into 4 phases. The aerobic respiration is again divided into 4 phases. That is, number 1 is glycolysis, and second one is Krebs cycle, and third one is electron transport chain. Finally, energy generation, that is oxidative phosphorylation. These are the 4 phases again present in the aerobic respiration. And let's see what is the second phase, that is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration mainly occurs in bacteria or in yeast or in muscles of the humans. It is called anaerobic respiration because it occurs in the absence or low amount of the oxygen. In bacteria, anaerobic respiration or fermentation produces lactic acid and energy. Anaerobic respiration, that is occurs in the yeast, produces ethanol. In muscles, it produces also lactic acid. So this is the overview of the respiration. Thank you for watching.